Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we will discuss about how to solve the differential equation. So let's say we have a question: dx over dt is equal to 5x minus 3. So the solution of this question is as dx over dt is equal to 5x minus 3. We have to separate the variables with respect to their derivative. We have to separate dx with x values and dt with t values. So we have x values, so dx will stay here and dt is on right side, and then apply integration on both sides. We have integration 1 over 5x minus 3 dx, and on the right side integration 1 dt. So we know that if the function is in denominator and its derivative is in numerator, it will close as natural log x. So we have a function 5x minus 3, its derivative is 5, so we multiply 5 and divide 5 so that it becomes a derivative of denominator, and the integration of 1 dt is t plus constant. So 1 over 5, it will close in natural log 5x minus 3 is equal to t plus c by using this identity. So at the next step, 5 is dividing here, so we will take it at right side and multiply with t plus c. It will become 5t plus 5c, and on the left side we have natural log 5x minus 3. So we have to remove the natural log by taking the right functions on the power of exponential. The function which is on right side, it will move on the power of exponential function, then natural log will be cancel out from here. So 5x minus 3 is equal to e power 5t dot e power 5c. So it's a constant value, so we assume it as c. And next step 3 is subtracting here. On the right side it will add up 3 plus ce 5t, and the 5 is multiplying with x, and on the right side it will be divided by 3 plus ce 5t. So value of x is equal to 3 over 5 plus, we know that c over 5 is also a constant, so it will become x is equal to 3 over 5 plus ce power 5t. It becomes the equation. So if the value of x and t is given, so we can find the value of c. So if the value of x is given, as we see that x of 2 is equal to 1 in example 2, if they given the value of x and t, we will find the c. So if x of t is equal to c e power 5t plus c over 5, and x value is 1 is given on the question, and the 2 is the value of t. So putting the value of t 5 to the 10, so it become c power 10 plus 3 over 5. By taking the LCM of this right side, it will become 5c e power 10 plus 3 over 5. 5 is dividing by here, so multiply by 1. So it become 5 is equal to 5c e power 10 plus 3. Then on the right side 3 is adding with 5c power 10, so 3 will be moved toward the left side and subtract from 5. So 5 minus 3 is equal to 5c e power 10. So 5 minus 3, we know that it is 2, is equal to 5c e power 10, and we want to calculate the value of c. So 5 e power 10 will move to the left side, and they are multiplying with c. On the left side they will divide it by 2. So 2 over 5 e power 10 is equal to c. So the value of c is equal to 2 over 5 e power minus 10. E power minus 10 is as it is positive on the denominator, so if we take it as a nominator on the upper side, so it will become minus. If it has negative value, it will be moved toward upper side, it will become positive. So here it is positive, so it become negative. So value of c is equal to 2 over 5 e power minus 10. Then putting the value of c in equation 1, where is c? Putting the value of c, and we calculate the final equation which we want to require in the question. So we have to put x of t is equal to, on the value of c we have find it 2 over 5 e power minus 10 dot e power 5t as it is plus 3 over 5. So by calculating it, we can take common 5. 5 is common and the t minus 2, so it becomes the final equation x of t is equal to 2 over 5 e power 5 into t minus 2 plus 3 over 5. So this is all about differential equation and easiest way to solve the differential equation. On the next lecture we will discuss about further more examples of differential equation and typical questions of differential equation, how to solve it by separating the derivatives of x with respect to x functions and separating the y variables or t variables or z variables with their functions. Subscribe this channel for further more proceeding videos and typical examples of differential equation, and we also seen that product rules, chain rule and quotient rule in the previous videos. And then thank you. Allah Hafiz.